walking?
Hello, everybody.
Yeah.
Welcome to our channel. I'm John.
And I'm Becky.
And today we're going to be doing a taste test of, I'm going to be doing 4 different things, and Becky's doing 3. So the first thing that I guess I'm testing.
The Cheetos.
We're both testing Cheetos. These are extra flaming hot Cheetos. Here you go, Becky.
No, boy.
And cheers.
Yeah. Come on.
Uh-huh.
No. It's hot.
Oh, they're hot.
What the hell?
Oh, yeah. They're hot, but good. I really cut your throat. Okay. I got the hot one out of the way first, huh? All right. What's item number 2?
Okay.
It looks like
Oh
my item number 2 is spicy freeze-dried candy. Tangy Jolt.
They're like gummy.
Magical Crunch.
Candy.
Tangy Jolt Magical Crunch. My wife Becky said that she tried these and didn't like them.
Yeah, I didn't want them.
So now I'm going to try them. Come on. Okay, bottoms up.
You like them?
No.
You need to drink water.
They weren't that hot, but they're nasty. Blech.
Yeah, they are gross.
I do need to drink water after that one.
Yeah, I do not like them either.
Yeah, those are definitely either going in the garbage or downstairs. Next, we got hazelnuts.
Now we have
Hazelnuts.
hazelnuts.
Hazelnut. Hazelnut is good in coffee. The hazelnut creamer. Should I go get the scissors?
Yeah.
One moment. I gotta go get the scissors. Becky has a funny story about scissors.
No.
You don't want to share your scissors story?
My homework teacher in high school used to always call scissors as scissors. She'd be like, hand me a scissors. And I never forgot that to this day.
Oh, here's the scissors. Let's cut open a corner of this bag with the scissors. There we go. The scissors did the trick.
Oh man, that's went down the side there. Not bad. Okay.
Okay. It could be a little saltier. I wouldn't want to keep them. And then our final item. Oh yeah. Me too. I don't care for those.
Taste what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, always have water when you're doing taste tests.
Mm-hmm.
And now our final item, pork rinds.
Okay.
Becky says she likes them, but I have never had them.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Ugh. What kind of smell?
I haven't tried the barbecue flavored one.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Tink.
Okay.
They're okay.
I like this.
Yeah, they're all right.
Mm.
I wouldn't eat them too much. Those are all yours. I'm
Alright.
not a pork rinds person. Yeah. Well, I think that's pretty much it for now. So, if you have any other suggestions on things we should try, put it in the comments,
Yeah.
and
What's
maybe
in the
we'll
comment?
try and see what we can find out with those suggestions. And make sure to hit the bell and subscribe to our channel if you already haven't.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.
See you later.
Bye bye.
Bye.